Welcome back, guys. No, we haven't uploaded in a while, but it's a great day in PA on this day of recording. Obviously, you guys can tell I'm recording from editing the video. I'm not on the microphone because we're doing a little something different today. We got a second-person view on the motorcycle. You guys seeing me when I ride, so I'm obviously showing off here the jacket. Pretty nice, new jacket we just got. We also got the new helmet in, which is the AGV K1 series helmet with the chrome visor that we just got. I absolutely love this helmet. I've been trying to search for helmets, and this one seems to fit my head and just fit perfectly. It's super light. It's got nice buffing for wind, everything like that. You can change settings on the helmet for the visor, everything like that. It's just an absolutely great helmet. Anyway, enough talking about that. If you guys want to know more information about the helmet, I will be making a video about it. So if you guys do like that, make sure to drop a comment if you want to see that. Into today's video, we're going to be riding around with a buddy here, meeting up with him soon. He's got a 2020, I believe, Ninja 400. We're going to be cruising around a little bit, weaving in and out of traffic, everything like that. So if you guys do enjoy this different point of view, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. We are almost to 150 subscribers, guys. That is absolutely awesome. And without further ado, we're going to get in with the video. So if you guys enjoy it, peace out, guys. Love y'all. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed the content on this video. It was a little something different, so hopefully you guys don't mind. I enjoyed making it. Sorry for the wind noise. I tried editing it as best as I could. Sorry for you headphone users, but the wind noise is just too hard to edit. I tried doing my best, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed the video, this different point of view. Later on this week, we're going to be making a video on my gear here that I just got. I'm going to be showing off the helmet a little more, some of the features that are on it. So if you guys are interested in that and are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the video. And without further ado, guys, have a great rest of your week and stay safe. Peace out, guys. Love y'all.